Hi, I'm Mark with Hothead Headliners. We are going to show how to install an LJ headliner kit. You're going to have to use your imagination a little bit because this hardtop is for a YJ. The first thing you're going to do, the first thing you need to know is you don't have to pull your hardtop off. You can do this with your hardtop in place. These panels are kind of big, but they're pretty easy to get in. On the LJ, I believe you can slide it right from the back all the way to the front. If you can't get it over the roll bar, you can get it in through the passenger window, go up over the roll bar, and install it that way. And so the first thing you're going to do is clean your hardtop really good with acetone. Get it all clean. Then you're going to take your front panel, slide it in place, do a dry fit. I want you to put it in place so you can see exactly where it goes right to the front and kind of how it fits side to side, and be aware of where the sides go, where the front goes. Okay? Then you're going to take your panel. I'm going to flip it over here so you can see. It has this Velcro on the back. You're going to get one of these sticks. These sticks correspond perfectly to where the Velcro is. Okay? What you need to do then is take your stick, put it on your hardtop. If it doesn't fit exactly, which it should in an LJ, but all you got to do is have it centered. So perfectly the same side to side. I think it'll work best with a pencil because it's only going to leave a little mark on your hardtop. And you want to mark each piece, each side of it, all the way across. Mark all of these. Then move your stick down a little bit. Mark it again. This is so you can get your pieces of Velcro straight. You don't have to have lines in between them. It's really easy to put this down. Okay, so once we have our marks so we can go front to back, what we need to know is we need to know how far from the front edge of this, where this front goes, to put another mark to where we start our Velcro. We need to know where to start putting it on. All of these are the same. They're about 3 inches from the front. So we're going to take our pencil again, go right to the front, right within our 2 marks there, and put another little 3-inch mark. And we're going to do that on each one of these sections where the Velcro is going to go, all the way across. Our top's already clean. We're going to have these pulled off. This is pretty easy to do with your hardtop, putting this Velcro on upside down. I've done it a bunch of times. The trick to putting the Velcro on is don't just peel the whole cellophane off the back. If you do that, it's super easy to get it stuck together. Once you get it stuck, you cannot get it apart. What you're going to do is you're going to just peel a little of it back, 4 or 5 inches. I see that mark right where I start, and where it goes side to side, I stick down just about 1 inch. I'm going to hold it perfectly straight where it's going to go. And then I'm going to grab my cellophane, I'm just going to peel it back, push it down, peel it back, push it down, peel it back, push it down. You're going to do that with each piece. Take your piece of cellophane that you just pulled off, use that to rub this down really good. If you just use your fingers, the friction gets really hot, so that's why I use the cellophane. If you have a roller would work really good also. And like I said, if you're sitting in your seat, it's super easy to start a little piece, peel it back, hold it straight, and push it down. I've done it a bunch of times over my head. So you're going to put each section down. Then what you're going to do is you're going to let this sit for 2 days. I'm going to show really quick the middle and the rear section. The LJ has 3 panels that go in the top. It's basically the same principles. I just want to talk over a couple little points of it. But that's all you're going to do. Put these on, wait 2 days, slide your panel in place, push up, you're good. Okay, we're going to just walk through real quick a couple points with the middle and rear sections, panels. It's the exact same principles as the front. I would start with the front panel first, installing, sliding that in place, seeing where the panel fits, putting the Velcro on, pulling it out, putting the Velcro actually on the hardtop, and then do the other sections. Take your rear panel, slide it in place. You'll be able to see in the LJ hardtop exactly where it fits against the back. Okay, side to side. You're going to pull that out, pull these pieces of Velcro off. Go ahead and you can see Now the front panel on the LJ is wider, so if you lay this up here, it's going to be wider than this. But if it's even on both sides, these line up perfectly. So you're going to take this, mark all your pieces where they go. You've seen where the back of this panel hits against the back of the hardtop. So we're going to measure that, mark it on our hardtop. On this one, it's 1.5 inches. Don't try to remember that. Just measure it for yourself. Mark each piece, put your Velcro down, right? Pretty straightforward. So the rear one will fit all the way against the back, come up to the front of that ridge. Then the back of this middle panel, which is this, will fit right against the front of that ridge. But you'll be able to, once you slide that in place, you'll see exactly where that goes. And when you slide this in place, you'll see exactly where it goes. These sections go where there's no Velcro, go up underneath the sound bar. So you're gonna, again, mark out where your Velcro goes side to side, put each mark. You're gonna measure from the back where it fits against the back. You're gonna measure from it right to there. That's 1.5 inches also, every one of them. Put your Velcro on. All you're gonna do is after you install all your Velcro, wait 2 days to let the adhesive on the back of this cure, and then you're gonna slide your panel in place and push up. That's it.